Okay, I think we found a new strangler fig. I know we have.
Look at this
Yep,
one.
yep, because it's growing up.
That middle. It's killed that middle one already.
The fig's still growing.
Yeah, I know it's eating that center one.
Yeah, because here's the fig. Look, it's up here. There's the strangler fig.
Yep.
Trying to strangle its host. We had another example a second ago. I'm going over here by the gators. How you doing?
That's what I told him. You're smart. Stay out.
I think they got a den under here.
Yeah, well, why don't you just go check it out then? Yeah. Here, let me hold yours, guys.
Caution. No swimming. I can't go swimming. And it says right there, no swimming.
Yeah. He wants to go get his camera.
It says right there, no swimming. Well, we found the 2 strangler figs in here. What do you think?
Well, hopefully that's all there is.
How far do you think our walk was around the pond?
Not very far.
I think it was pretty far, at least a 1/4 mile. By the time I make 3 or 4 laps, that would be my normal walk for the night.
If you walked.
I'd probably jog.
Oh, okay.
So would Crystal. Here's another Deus area right here. Plenty of parking. Okay, back to square one. Oh, these are the bird houses. I should walk over there. What? Oh, another strangler fig. Oh my God, they're coming out of the woodwork. See, there's the palm.
Look,
And then the fig strangles it.
This one too.
Oh my gosh, they're everywhere.
See it? Taking over?
Yep. Strangler figs in the Everglades.
I would chop them off.
Anybody watching my video, there's only 25 sites here. And Crystal and I come here a couple times a year because we like it here.
It's a nice, quiet little place.
There's no cell service and no TV towers and no cable. And the only thing you got is an outlet to plug into. That's the way we like it. Oop. Look at that. We're back home. I have to show you something on the roof. We got our own cable TV. Okay, that's my story and I'm sticking to it.